I've got a pound of ground beef here and 1 small onion. To that, we're going to be adding 1 packet of taco seasoning, 1 can, this is a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, 1 can of black beans. Going to mix this all together. This is a 10-ounce can of the red enchilada sauce. Just going to put the whole thing right in there. Give that a good stir. We've got one last ingredient, and that is half of a block of cream cheese, so it's 4 ounces. Then we're just going to stir this all together until the cheese gets combined with everything else. Once all of this starts coming up to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and take a 1-cup bag. This is half of a 2-cup bag of Colby Jack cheese. Turn off the heat, and then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes just to make sure that everything is melted and looks really great. And then we're going to go ahead and do a little assembly. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. And then you're going to serve it with the following toppings. So Fritos. Walking tacos are traditionally where you get like the little snack bags of these, and then you open it up and you actually put everything on the inside and then you eat it with a spoon. But we're actually making it as a casserole. So on top of the Fritos chips, we're going to add some diced tomatoes. Then we're going to do some shredded lettuce, a little bit of sour cream, and some chopped green onions right on top. For a final touch, get some tahini. So, isn't this pretty? So I would normally do a taste test here, but I'm actually taking this to a friend's place for our potluck. So try making this for your next Taco Tuesday or kind of potlucky Sunday brunch. I think everybody will love it.